As Baisakhi celebrations lit up the nation, Udhampur's historic Devika Baisakhi Fair stood out as a vibrant symbol of unity. Held on the holy banks of Devika, the three-day event saw people from all communities come together. With cultural stalls, local crafts and festive fervor, the fair reflected the shared joy and brotherhood marking India's harvest celebrations. Take a look.
Baisakhi marks the joyous celebration of harvest and the spirit of new beginnings. It brings communities together in vibrant unity, prayers and festive cheer. A truly heartwarming celebration, Baisakhi in India's Jammu and Kashmir was marked by great enthusiasm, peace and prosperity. The community came together in vibrant traditional attire, creating a lively atmosphere filled with joy and unity. The day began with soulful bhajans and special prayers at the local gurudwaras, where people offered gratitude for a bountiful harvest and prayed for continued blessings.
आज के दिन गुरु गोविंद सिंह साहब जो हमारे 10वें गुरु थे, ठीक है, गुरु नानक देव जी ने फाउंडेशन रखी सिखिज्म की, और गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी तक आते आते 10वें गुरु साहब जी ने हमें एक यूनिफॉर्मिलिटी दी, एक अलग दुनिया से एक अलग स्वरूप दिया हमें, ताकि जो एक सिख है वो लाखों में भी एक पहचाना जाए कि अपनी पगड़ी, अपने केस, अपने रूप से कि ये सिख है।
The Baisakhi celebration in Jammu and Kashmir beautifully reflected the spirit of unity and togetherness as people from all walks of life came together, transcending age, background and social boundaries. Meanwhile, a historic 3-day Baisakhi fair was organized at Devika in Udhampur, celebrating the occasion with rich traditional flavor. A number of stalls were set up by both local vendors and government departments, showcasing and raising awareness for the local products.
मैं आपके वसासत से अपनी जितने भी ज़ायरीन हैं जो कि दूर दराज से नज़दीक से यहाँ माथा टेकने आ रहे हैं, कीर्तन श्रवण करने आ रहे हैं, उनका वेलकम करता हूँ। और उनके लिए लंगर का प्रबंध भी किया गया है। गुरु घर में लंगर तो वैसे 24 घंटे चलता है, लेकिन आज कुछ खास इंतजामात उनके लिए किए गए हैं। अपने कश्मीरी भाइयों का भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि वो परसों से हमारे साथ जो एक ब्रदरहुड जो यहाँ पे कायम किया गया हमारे साथ, वो हमारी खुशी में शरीक होने आते हैं।
The occasion was not just about marking the harvest season. It became a heartfelt expression of life, love and collective hope. Prayers, music and laughter echoed through the streets, symbolizing a shared vision for peace and prosperity. The festival served as a shining example of how festivals can inspire unity, spread positivity and strengthen the fabric of our diverse society.